Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Appalika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, H Dare to Success, made in India. Today, I came with a new trick and a new video. Today, I wanted to discuss with you Mathematics 1B, Straight Lines chapter. According to Telangana and Andhra Pradesh State Board exam, weightage is 2 marks 2 questions, 1 4 mark question, 1 7 mark question. Total Straight Lines chapter weightage is 50 marks. Now, I wanted to go to explain you directly 2 marks questions. 2 marks VIP questions. I mean, very important previous questions. Very important questions, VIP questions. So, directly, I want to explain you question number 1. Very short answer question, VSAQ 1. Find the equation of the straight line which makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive x-axis measured counterclockwise passing through the point 1, 2. This question is very important question. This question came from May 2019 Telangana. Next, I wanted to explain you very short answer question 2. Find the angle which the straight line is equal to root 3x minus 4 makes with the y-axis. This question is also a very important question, VIP question. This question came from March 2019 Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Now, I wanted to explain you question number 3. Very short answer question 3. Find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through 2, 5 and x, 3 is 2. Slope value you can find it. Slope formula you can use. This question is also a very important question. This question came from March 2012, March 2018 Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, May 2012, May 2016 Telangana. This question is very important question, my dear students. Now I want to go to directly very short answer question number 4. Find the p if the straight line x plus p is equal to 0. Next one, y plus 2 is equal to 0. Third one, 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 are concurrent. This question is also a VIP question, very important previous question. This question came from March 2013, March 2017 Telangana, March 2020 Telangana, May 2015 Telangana, May 2017 Telangana. Now next question, 2014 question, very short answer question number 5. Find the p if the lines 4x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. And next one, 2x plus py plus 2 is equal to 0. Third one, 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 are concurrent. It is also related to last question. This question came from May 2014. And next question, very short answer question number 6. Find the condition for the points a, 0, h, k and 0, b where a, b not equal to 0 to be collinear. Here also you can use collinear condition. Next, this question came from March 2010. Now I wanted to go to explain you very short answer question number 7. Find the area of the triangle formed by the straight line x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. Next, question number 8. Very short answer question number 8. Find the area of the triangle formed by the straight line 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. Try to do more questions similar pattern. You will get success. Next, very short answer question number 9. Find the area of the triangle formed by the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p with the coordinate axis. This question is also related to last question, area of the triangle. This question came from March 2011. And next question number, very short answer question number 10. Very short answer question number 10. So this question is if the area of the triangle formed by the straight line x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to a. Here a is greater than 0, e is square, 6 square units, then find the value of a. So here you can use area of the triangle like a previous model question. This question VIP question, March 2009, May 2007, May 2011, May 2018 Andhra Pradesh. This is a very important VIP question. Next, now I wanted to go to question VSAQ 11. VSAQ 11. So the next one, I want to explain you, find the area of the triangle formed by the line 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equals to 0 with the coordinate axis. This is also a similar model question, VIP question, March 2015 Andhra Pradesh. Next, I wanted to go to tell you VSAQ 12. Find the equation of the straight line which passing through minus 4, 5 and cutting off equal non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis. This question is also a very important question, my dear students. This question came from March 2007, March 2015 Telangana, May 2008, May 2010, May 2016 Andhra Pradesh, May 2018 Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This is a very important question, my dear friends. So you can practice more. Next, now I am going to question number 13. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the origin and making equal angles with the coordinate axis. This question is also a very important question. This question came from May 2005. Next, VSAQ 14. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 3, minus 4 and making x-intercept and y-intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. This question came from March 2008. Next question, VSAQ 15. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points a, t1 square, 2a, t1 and a, t2 square, 2a, 2a, t2. This question is also VIP question, my dear students. This question came from March 2004, March 2009, March 2014, May 2015, AP, October 2000. This question is a very important question. Practice more. Next question number 16. VSAQ 16. Find the distance between the parallel straight lines 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 10x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. You can find the distance between two parallel lines. So it is very easy and important question, my dear students. Practice more. This question came from March 2009, May 2012, May 2018 Telangana. Next, VSAQ question number 17. Find the distance between the parallel straight lines 3x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 6x plus 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. This question is also a parallel similar to last question number 16. This question came from March 2009, March 2012, March 2009 Andhra Pradesh, May 2012, May 2013. Next, I am going to explain you VSAQ 18. Transform the equation 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 into normal form. Normal form. This is also a VIP question. This question came from May 2017 Telangana. Next, I want to explain you VSAQ 19. Transform the equation x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 into normal form. This is also a similar model like VSAQ 18. So this question also a very important question, VIP question. So this question came from March 2017. Pradesh, March 2018, Telangana, May 2009, May 2010. Practice more. Next question number 20. VSQ 20. Transform the equation 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 into normal form. This question is also a VIP question and a very similar question like previous question 18 and 19. This question came from March 2011. Next question VSQ 21. Transform the equation x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 into normal form. This is also a parallel similar question like 18, 19, 20. So this question is came from March 2012. Next I wanted to explain you VSQ 22. Transform the equation x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 into normal form. This question is also a parallel similar question like 18, 19, 20, 21 question. This question also a very important question. VIP question, my dear students. Practice more. This question came from May 2012. Next VSQ 23. Transform the equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0 into intercept form, normal form. So here you can use you can find three forms. Number one, slope intercept form, next intercept form, next normal form. This question is also a VIP question like short answer question also. So this question came from March 2016, AP, May 2014. I wish you all the very best. Practice more, my dear students. Next question number 24. Question number 24 is transform the equation root 3x plus y is equal to 4 into number 1 slope intercept form, next to slope intercept form completed, second one intercept form, third one normal form. This question is also similar to question number 23, March 2004, March 2008, March 2016 Telangana. Next question is find the equation of the straight line passing through 2, 3 and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. This question is also a VIP question, my dear students. This question came from March 2012, May 2009. Practice more. Next question is you can find the equation of the straight line which passing through minus 2, 4 and making non-zero intercepts whose sum is 0. This is also a very important question like previous question. This question came from March 2015 AP, May 2009, May 2013, May 2015 Telangana, May 2017 Andhra Pradesh. Next question VSQ 27. If 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 is a perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining 3, minus 4 and alpha, beta, then you can find the value of alpha plus beta. So this is a different and important one, easiest model. So this question came from March 2011. Next question VSQ 28. Find the k if the straight lines y minus 3kx plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2k minus 1 into x minus 8k minus 1 into y minus 6 is equal to 0 are perpendicular. So here the given two straight lines are perpendicular, then find the k value. You can take condition, perpendicular condition, you will get answer. So this question this question came from March 2010. Next question, my dear students, VSQ 29. Find the p if the straight lines 3x plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 7x minus py plus 3 is equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular. This question is also a parallel similar to like VSQ 28. Previous question you can practice more. Same model question. This question came from March 2016 Telangana, May 2019 Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Very important question. Practice more. Next question number 30. VSQ 30. Find p if the straight lines 3x plus py minus 1 is equal to 0 and 7x minus 7 plus 3 is equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular. This question is also similar like VSQ 28, VSQ 29. Practice more. Same model question. This question came from March 2019 Telangana. Next question VSQ 31. If theta is the angle between the lines x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, x by b plus y by a is equal to 1, then find sin theta. Here a is greater than b. This question came from May 2009. Next I wanted to go to question number VSQ 32. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 5, 4 and parallel to the straight line 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. This question came from March 2003, March 2013. Next VSQ 33. Find the ratio in which the straight line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 6 divides the line segment joining the points 2, minus 1 and 1, 1. State whether the points on the same side or on either side of the straight line. This question came from May 2019 Andhra Pradesh. Next VSQ 34. Find the ratio in which the straight line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, which divides the line joining the 2 points they are 0, 0 and minus 2, 1. This question came from March 2014. Next VSQ 35. Find the ratio in which first condition is the x-axis, second condition is the y-axis, dividing the line segment AB joining A first point 2, minus 3 and B second point 3, minus 6. This question is also a very important question. Practice more. Next VSQ 36. Find the ratio in which the straight line 2x plus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0 divides the join of the 2 points first point 2, 3 and second point 2, 10. Practice more. Different question. So next VSQ 37. Next question is find the perpendicular distance from the point 3, 4 to the straight line 3x minus 4y is 10 is equal to 0. This question is a VIP question. You can practice more. March 2016 AP, March 2020 Telangana, March 2015 AP. Next VSQ 38. Find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and passing to the point 4, minus 3. This question is VIP question. Practice more. March 2015 Telangana, March 2016 Andhra Pradesh. Next VSQ question number 39. Find the length of the perpendicular from the point minus 2, minus 3 and to the straight line 5x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. This question came from May 2016 Telangana. Next VSQ 40. Find the value of y if the line joining 2 points 3, y and 2, 7 is parallel to the line joining 2 points minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. This question is VIP question. Practice more, my dear students. This question came from March 2008, March 2014, March 2017 Telangana. Next VSQ 41. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point minus 1, 3 and perpendicular to the straight line passing through the 2 points B 2, minus 5 and C 4, 6. This question came from March 2014 4 marks question and May 2011, May 2012 2 marks question. So practice more, my dear students. Next VSQ 42. VSQ 42. If the product of intercepts made by the straight line x tan alpha less y secant alpha is equals to 1. Here the condition is 0 is less than or equal to alpha is less than or equal to pi by 2. On the coordinate axis it is equal to sin alpha. So then you can find the value of alpha. This question came from March 2009. Next VSQ question number 23. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points minus 1, 2 and 5, minus 1. Also find the area of the triangle formed by it with the axis of coordinates. So this question you can practice more. This question came from March 2015 Telangana. Next question number VSQ 44. If 3a plus 2b plus 4c is equal to 0, then show that the equation ax plus b plus c is equal to 0 represents a family family of component straight lines and find the point of concurrency. This question came from May 2010. Next question, BS 45. Find the value of k if the straight line 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0 and kx minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0 are parallel. Here the condition is parallel. This question came from May 2017 Andhra Pradesh. Next question number BS 46. Find the slope of the lines x plus y is equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to 0. This question came from March 2017 Andhra Pradesh. Next question number 47. BS 47. Find the sum of the squares of the intersects of the line 4x minus 3y is equal to 12 on the axis of coordinates. This question came from March 2018 Telangana Andhra Pradesh. So these type of very short answer questions, 2 marks questions will also helpful in Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana as well as CBSE board exams, ICSE board exams like Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. Wherever in the India, any board exams we can practice more these questions. So they will get a different pattern, question paper pattern. So you can practice more, dear students. I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.